Hi, today we're going to be talking about the safest areas in Los Angeles. So if you're interested, hello, this is Living in Los Angeles with Leon Loveless. If you had not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you're notified every time I make a new video. I'm always making videos about living in Los Angeles and moving here and what it's like. If you or anyone you like, because if you don't like them, I probably won't like them, are thinking about moving in Los Angeles, then hit me up. Give me a call, text, emails, smoke signals, bat signals, however you want to get a hold of me, just hit me up. At Westside Luxe Living, we're always helping hundreds of people move to the Los Angeles area, and we love it, and we'd love to help you too, so like I said, reach out. Today we're going to be talking about the safest areas in Los Angeles. Now, when I say Los Angeles, I don't mean all of LA County, I just mean the center part of Los Angeles. Core from downtown to the coast. To quantify the safest area in Los Angeles, it's not as easy as you think. Crime is split into two categories, violent crime and property crime. Of course, we don't want to be involved in either crime, so you have to take a combination of the two. What does that mean?
Coming in at 4th and 5th place.
Basically, in the runner-up category, the Brentwood, Westwood area, a lot of the nicest areas, places that have the lowest violent crime, actually kind of have a lot of property crime. The affluence is going to attract a sort of shadier crowd as well that's going to try to, pick on that. So a lot of these places, in the runner-up areas are very safe, from violent crime. For the most part, a lot of the property crime in that area is vehicles being broken into, and something being stolen. There's a lot of theft out of vehicles in a lot of these areas. Like I said, they're perfectly safe as long as you are a little careful, you're a little wise, a little streetwise maybe. You should hide your purse in your car. You shouldn't leave anything visible in the car when you park it. Number 3. Mar Vista is another one of my favorite areas for safety and just for anything really. And they actually come in pretty good for both property crime and violent crime. Coming in at number 1 and number 2, they both are my number 1 and my number 2 for both violent crime and property crime. And they actually just flip-flopped. Century City is actually number 1 for property crime and Bel Air is number 2 for property crime. And Bel Air is actually number 1 for violent crime with 0 violent crimes committed in the last 6 months. So that's pretty good. And then Century City comes in at number 2 there. If you had not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And as I said before, if you or anyone you like is moving to the Los Angeles area, please hit me up in your preferred way. I've got an email address, I've got a phone number, I've got text capabilities. We're always helping hundreds of people and we love it, and we'd love to help you too. So don't be shy, reach out.